Hi, I want to welcome you to 210 Old Peruville Road. I'm Laurel Guy, and this home you will fall in love with as soon as you're driving down the road and you see it in the distance. It's going to call out to you. It is magnificent, a Second Empire Victorian, set on 64 acres of the most beautiful land with a barn. And the owner has done a major restoration, and you are going to fall in love. It has been transformed into a modern, energy-efficient home just 15 minutes from Cornell. Keep horses or other animals and you have breathing room, and you'll find wildflowers, strawberries, blackberries, and over 300 sugar maples that have never been tapped, and a beautiful creek. They just don't build houses like this anymore, do they? This stylistically has all the grand characteristics of another era. It has high ceilings, beautiful original woodwork, and wood floors. Yet it's been brought into the 21st century. The living room opens to this grand front porch. This will be where you go to unwind. It's ideal for entertaining and family gatherings with a great layout and warm, vibrant spaces. And you will cook like a pro in this kitchen. You have a Wolf range and an amazing butler's pantry with a second fridge, a second dishwasher, and a wine bar. You'll love the pocket doors between the kitchen and the living room, and the family room off the kitchen is gorgeous. There are custom Marvin windows, all new plumbing, updated electric, new lighting, new insulation, and all the original woodwork has been restored. Enjoy your privacy in this expansive 3-room master suite, which includes a sitting room, a large dressing room and second-floor laundry, and a luxurious master bath with a steam shower, marble floor, radiant heat, double vanity, and a bidet. All that's left to do, finish the exterior. The seller provided a written estimate for new siding. The asking price reflects the estimated cost. Finishing touches and colors will be yours. Being here where generations of people have lived will give you a sense of place and time. 210 Old Peruville Road. You have arrived. You are home.